In this video, we will cover how to streamline your team's responsibilities using a RACI matrix. We will explore best practices and walk through how to build one in Lucidchart. To start, what is a RACI matrix? It is a project management tool used to clarify roles and responsibilities for tasks or deliverables. It ensures everyone knows exactly who owns what. Why use a RACI chart? It eliminates ambiguity in project management. It improves communication and ensures that critical tasks have clear accountability, leading to more efficient collaboration. There are 4 roles of RACI. R stands for responsible, the person doing the work. A is accountable, the person making the final decision. C is consulted, who provides input. I is informed, who receives updates. The golden rule of RACI is that for every task, there must be only one person accountable. While many people can be responsible, only one person makes the final decision. Choose your framework based on needs. Use RACI for standard projects. Use RASCI to add support roles when extra help is needed. Use DACI for decision-heavy projects needing clear drivers. Avoid common pitfalls and RACI mistakes. Never assign multiple people as accountable for one task, and ensure you keep your matrix updated as the project evolves. For best practices for creating a RACI matrix, involve your team early. Keep the matrix visible in a central workspace and review it regularly during project milestones. Ready to build your own? Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a RACI matrix in Lucidchart to keep your project on track. Start by opening a new document in Lucidchart. Add a table to your canvas. List your tasks in the rows and your team members or roles in the columns. Once your grid is set, fill in the cells with the appropriate R, A, C, or I labels based on your team roles. Use formatting to color code your roles for clarity. Finally, use the Share button in the top right corner to invite your stakeholders to view or edit the document, ensuring everyone stays aligned throughout the project.